Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a soft glam makeup tutorial for beginners for easy natural glow look. So the first thing I do, I use a face wipe to remove excess oil or any dirt from my face. Then I allow it to dry off. Then I apply my face primer, and this face primer is from Cosmetic. It's really nice and it's a very good product. You know, any product from Zaron, they are always top notch. And also when doing this, you need to be fast because this face primer absorbs fastly. If you're not fast enough, it might dry off fast. So you need to be fast with it because it enters the skin so perfectly well. So the next thing I do is to brush up my brows because I did not shave, so I'll use my spoonie brush just to brush them up to arrange them. Then I go with my concealer. This concealer is also from Cosmetic and it's really nice on the skin. I took a little out of the concealer to apply in my eyebrows area, just as you can see in this video. When you are done applying your concealer, then you go in with your blending brush to blend in the concealer you apply in your eyebrows area, and you need to do it very well so that your eyebrow can look very neat with the concealer in it. And once you are done with the first eye, you also go to the next eyebrow because you can't do one eye and leave the other. You need to repeat the same process for the both eyes so that everything will look well blended and look neat. Once you are done, you also need to apply the concealer in the upper part of your area. So you need to apply the concealer in the down part of your eyebrow and also in the upper part of your eyebrow, and also blend as well. Next thing to do is to use the remaining concealer that you use on your eyebrow and apply it in your eye area as you are getting ready to apply eyeshadow in your eye area. And you are going to repeat the same process for the both eyes, and also you also blend in as well. Next, I'll go in with my eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow of your choice in this process, and you need to apply the eyeshadow that you want, that you love. So I'm just going to apply this particular on my eyes area, and I'm going to apply this in the both eye side. And when you are applying your eyeshadow, you need to blend very well. Don't let it to look somehow. You need to blend it very well after applying it. Next, I will use my mascara. This mascara is also from Zaron. This mascara is really good. I use it to bring out my normal eyelashes out since I'm not making any one. So once you are done with this, the next thing for you to do is to use a foundation, and the foundation I'm still going to use is also from Cosmetic as well. So when you are applying your foundation, you don't need to do too much. You can just apply little amount and then you blend. One thing you should know about makeup is that blending is what hold makeup. So I'm going to use this beauty blender from Cosmetic as well to blend in properly all the makeup on my face. Once you don't blend your makeup properly, the makeup is going to come out cakey. It's going to look too much and it's going to look bad on your face. You won't like it. So that's why before you blend, you need to take your time. It's not something you rush in and rush out. Blending is the foundation of makeup, so you need to blend very well and you need to take your time while doing this process. Next, I go in with my concealer. You are going to apply your concealer in the T-zones area of your face, and you need to apply in the inner part and the outer part, just a little, just as you can see me do in this video. So you can apply your concealer this way, and when you are done applying it, then you blend it step by step. Take your time while also blending your concealer. All this also matters in makeup doing. Next, I'm going to use this micolor beauty palette. I'm going to use a darker shade in it as a contour to apply in my cheekbone area, and you apply in the both side. When you are done, you also apply it in your forehead side. And you also apply in your down cheekbone side, is very important. Then I'm going to also use the same contour and look for a smaller brush to apply in my nose area as a contour, just as you can see in this video what I am doing. And you're going to take your time when you are doing this so that your nose can look more pronounced. Next, I'm going to go in with this Get blush, and this blush is really nice. So when applying your blush, you need to remove excess if it's too much. So I'm put light blush, and I'm going to apply it in the upper part of my cheekbone area, just as you can see. This one I applied, it was really too much, but I'm going to blend it very well. You need to blend. Makeup is blended, and you're going to apply it for the both side of your face, even in your nose area. Next, I will go in with my setting powder. This setting powder is really nice, and when you're applying your setting powder, you feel it's too excess, you are going to dust it off so that it will not look too much in your face. And you are going to use it in the highlighted area, which you use your concealer area on. You're going to use it to set your face properly. Next is to outline my lip, and I'm going to be using this pencil, this black pencil from Devis. I'm just using it to apply my lips so that I can prepare my lip ahead. And you can use any pencil of your choice. You must not use the black pencil. You can use the brown pencil if you want a brown lip. Anyone you want is really fine. Next, you are going to use your blending brush to blend in the lip you just outlined earlier on. And you need to take this process serious, because when your lip is well blended, it's going to make you look snatchy. Next, I will use my concealer as my lip because I'm doing a concealer lip. So you are going to apply a little concealer in your lip side, and after you have applied it, you're just going to blend it properly so that it will sit well with it. Next, I'm just going to use my brush to blend out the setting powder in my face that I applied earlier on. So I'm just going to blend it out properly now with my brush. So I'm going to use my powder palette to apply a little on my face in the highlighted area, and also to also blend the powder out in my face. And when I'm done with this, I'm also going to apply the same powder in the area where there is no powder, that I did not apply area on, and I will do the general powder putting in my face, and I'm just going to blend out everything so that everything can look snatchy, just as you can see me do in this video. I'm going to use my black eye pencil to just make my eye pop out a little, just as you can see me do in this video. It's not a must if you don't want to, it's not mandatory. I just want my eye to look more poppy and to look beautiful, because you know I'm not wearing any eyelashes, it's just my natural eye. Then I'm going with my blush again for the last time, so that I can pop out the area which is dim now. So I'm just going to use the blush again to apply in the area that I applied area on, just as you can see me do in this video. This one is too much, but I'm going to blend it. That is why you need to blend when you apply your makeup stuff. Next, I'll go in with my highlighter just to make my face look a little beautiful, so you can apply it just the way I am applying it, and you apply a little in the corner side of your eyebrow side. Now I'm going in with my setting spray to set up all the makeup things I've done in my face, and voila, oh, so cute and beautiful.